Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to run tuples in Java on Visual Studio Code. So guys, to run this tuple, you need to import the jar file of this tuple. So the link in description and you can download directly. Once you download to import in Visual Studio, what you need to do, you have to go to the file explorer and just expand the Java. If you have created the Java project, just expand this Java project. And in reference libraries, just click on this add button. Go to the download folder or go to the folder where the jar file is located. Just select the jar file and select this jar file. Click on it. And once you select your Java tuple jar file will be listed here. Once it is listed, it won't show any error if you use tuple keyword or tuple like pair tuple. So basically, tuple is a data structure that can hold a number of elements with different data types. Fine. So you can use it. Let's do that. So first of all, let me create a main class, main method for this static void main. And yes, now let's guys create a pair tuple. In pair, basically, we can hold two values of different type. So different data type. So let's do that. So let's create a pair of string and integer. And let's make a object of it like t1 tuple tuple. Let me first of all write string and integer once again. This is the syntax of any tuple, and you can initialize the value as well, like hello, hello, and the second value is integer. So let me type it as integer. So I forget to use tuple here, tuple keyword. Fine. So yeah, that's the keyword. That's basically to resolve it. You just need to let me. It will call basically if you type here, it will automatically import the library that needed for this. You can see that. And now you just need to add your values here. I'm going to add value my, the first one is hello. And second one is 0. Fine. And let's terminate this line. And now we just need to print this tuple. You can use directly T1 object. So it will run, let's run this code. And you can see there is no error right now. But if you're trying to use tuple directly, it will show error in Eclipse as well as in Visual Studio. So let's run this code. And you can see the output is clearly hello and 0. Fine. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.